I did my own box braids. I'm so excited. This is amazing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to your girl because I do post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing the box braids using the rubber band method. This is my first time ever doing braids because I didn't know how to quite grip the hair to get it into a braid. I know how to do twists but not braids. So yes, we're gonna be doing this rubber band method, and by the finishing product, you guys, like, I think I did good. So we're starting with freshly washed hair. If you want to see how I wash my hair, I will link the video somewhere in this video. I'll post the link somewhere in this video. Yeah, that's much better. So I'm gonna be parting my hair into 3 sections. You guys, as I was doing this, I was actually watching another YouTuber show me how to do this because I'm like, I don't know what kind of part I didn't know anything. But yeah, I eventually decided to do the 3 sections. We're gonna make sure our part is straight as you can get to be, as straight as I could have gotten it. So yes. What I'm going to do is part the hair now. I kind of did, like, it was medium jumbo, medium. It wasn't small braids, but it wasn't big. It was like in between. I didn't do that much either because I didn't want a lot of braids. So yes, we're going to moisturize. Not moisturize, we're going to use some oil, and I'm using some almond oil. And these are the rubber bands that I got from my local beauty supply store. They were like $1. And they come with different, they come with different sizes. They have different sizes. So this is the smallest one. So yeah, I'm just going to put that in and do the same for the rest of my hair. The oil that I'm using is like my brother's oil, but it's like, it smells really good. It's like almond oil. But yeah, if you guys have any recommendations on like different oils or different things to help me grow my hair, let a sister know so we can get this thing out, okay? So we're gonna put that away. And the braiding hair that I'm using is from XPression. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was on sale for like 3 for like $9, so that wasn't too bad. You guys, his hair is long. It's like 80 inches. I'm like, oh my goodness, oh my god. So I cut it in half and now I'm braiding the hair. This is my first braid and I didn't do it how I wanted to do it. I basically I had the hair and then I put my hair in between the hair, and then when I got to the end where my hair is about to end, that's when I started to take hair from the braids to create another braid for my hair to be in. Okay, it was confusing, but I'll tell you guys later on in the video. But yeah, so I'm bringing it forward and I'm braiding and I'm like, am I doing this right? Is this coming out okay? So yes, that's me braiding the hair, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like in the end. It gets better throughout the video, okay? Don't give up. It gets better. The first one is not always gonna be good, but trust me, it got better. So I'm going to stop speaking here and I'm gonna let you guys see me do the rest of my braids, and I'll come back later. Deuces. Camera.
Jesus. I'm just not recording.
It is.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, so my camera died and it's 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm almost done with my hair. To show you guys how it's looking so far. So far, so good. I'm gonna leave my edges, my non-existent edges. I only have like 5 more to do. So I thought I would show you guys, but this is what it's looking like so far. Pretty long. It looks really nice. This is my first time braiding hair, period. I'm super happy for this rubber band method. Okay, this is what it looks like. The ends don't look good. If the ends are like this, it's gonna be hard for you to get the hair to braid all the way at the end. So we're just gonna go and flare it out at the end. So you're just gonna break the pieces out and do the same to the other side. Gonna grab from one end to the next, and then you're just gonna run your hand to the hole. You're gonna run your hands through, and you will see that it's starting to look a little better. So just continue doing the same thing. See? I'm gonna go do this one. I didn't blow dry my hair the way I should have, but it's okay. Grab the hair. You can make it even or uneven, totally up to you. But now it's still gonna go like straight down like this. When you braid it, grab it. Grab the hair. I'm gonna separate it into 2. Like 1.5. So then you, one right here, and then you just put the hair around. And then you begin to braid. So before this piece of mine ends, I'm gonna wrap it around one of the hairs. So I'm gonna take some from here, then braid. Take some from this braid without taking the braid, or it's gonna get a little tangled up, but you're just gonna run your hands through. And I'm gonna bring it forward so my hand won't be hurting. And I'm gonna braid. See how the end makes it easier? Not the best, but it makes it easier. And that's pretty much it. Ugh. So, yes. So I have how much more to do? 1, 2, 3. I have 4 more to do. So I'm gonna do the 4. some hot water, put the ends in some hot water, and go to sleep because I'm tired. This took me literally, I started at like 1 and it's 5:07, so that's how long it took me. I did take some breaks in between and had to redo some of them over again, but this is not bad. I did my own box braids. I'm so excited. This is amazing. They do kind of hurt. They're a little, it's not like tight, but like, you know, when you first get your hair done, yeah. That's what it feels like to me. Box braids. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. And if you think that you cannot do it, don't doubt yourself, because I thought I couldn't do it. I mean, mine's have come out like amazing, but like not bad for a first try. There will be things I would do different, but that's for another day. I can't stop touching it. See you guys later.